Hey, I'm Neil with SunSouth, and I'm here today to talk to you about your new John Deere equipment.
Emission standards have become stricter over the years, requiring additional technology and equipment on today's engines to meet the standards. In this video, we are covering the compact utility and utility tractors. The purpose of this video is to educate you on the various indicators you will experience during normal operation of your equipment. First and foremost, the shorter the runtime and the lower loading of the engine, the more frequently the machine will have to regen. This is the process by which the machine cleans its exhaust filters automatically. This filter is not something as an operator you will ever physically service. Therefore, auto mode for the machine is critical to ensure your machine will operate at peak efficiencies. With today's machines, not every indicator is notifying you of a problem. That is the case with today's topic, regen. Let's look at the lights involved in the regen process. The location of the indicators and switches may vary by model. Please refer to your owner's manual. The first light is simply an informational light. This light indicates that the DPF filter is starting to build up soot and will need to self-clean. Continue to use the machine above 1200 engine RPMs as normal. It is best to allow the machine to complete this process before turning the key to the off position. The second light is again an indicator that the machine has actually started the cleaning process. Do not shut it off. The reason for the second light is to indicate that the cleaning process has begun and the exhaust is now operating at a higher temperature. Please keep the exhaust clear of any objects. This process should be completed in an open environment. The next two lights, the first being the caution light, a yellow exclamation point, and the exhaust filter indicator. This combination indicates that the machine has reached a point where it now requires a cleaning cycle. The most common reason we see this is either the machine was turned off while cleaning or the abort button was pushed while the cleaning. If the regen process is aborted enough times, then a parked regen, as described in the operator's manual, will usually resolve this light. This is considered maintenance and therefore not covered under warranty. The next combination is the red stop light and the exhaust filter indicator. At this point, someone has repeatedly failed to allow the machine to regen. The cleaning process must be completed. Engine performance will be reduced as the engine will derate. This process has now come to the point where a SunSouth technician must complete the service regen. This can take up to 5 hours to complete and will reduce the service life of the exhaust filter and the particulate filter. Again, this is not covered under warranty. The final light is the exhaust filter disable indicator. This indicates the button to disable the filter cleaning process has manually been activated. This should only be done in a situation in which the surroundings are not acceptable for the cleaning process we described earlier. We have covered all the different indicators that you may experience while using your John Deere equipment in relations to the emissions process. Please contact your local SunSouth location for further or more detailed information.